I'm out here on a beautiful day for a ride in the mountains and the hills. It's supposed to start raining tomorrow, so I'm not going to get a chance to do this until next weekend. Anyway, just installed the headlight brackets from TEC Parts. Put them on this morning. Pretty simple to do. All you have to do is take the triple tree and the handlebars off if you've got a Continental, just the triple tree. If you've got the Interceptor, slide the old one out after you remove the headlights. There's real no instructions that came with these, so I just looked at the picture online and just mimicked how they had it set up. Even though they don't quite get close enough to the bucket itself right here in this area where I put the bracket. See, on both sides, had to do that to kind of space it open a little bit. Otherwise, it'll be pointed inwards on both sides. And may be able to see that like this, but not a very good picture. Either way, small adjustments could be made with washers on either side. Other than that, they look really good. Pretty good quality, as always. And my shocks are still holding up really well. Got a couple 100 miles on them. I just took them from the very far right on the adjustments back here and made one more click to the left. Just giving it a shot. Also, you might notice that the little bracket that comes off of the stock version where the bolt is, that holds the clutch cable, there's no place to put that. So what I did was I just take the cable itself, loosen it up on both ends, dropped it off the end here, just pulled it out, put the cable back on. It doesn't look like it's going to hold up on anything or hang up on anything, so it's fine without it there. Kind of opens up everything, a lot more space in there. So if you want to clean your bike like I do with my hands with the rag and stuff like that, pretty good and open. So yeah, liking it so far. And there you go, looks pretty good. Glad I bought them.